Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. We are here in Rocklin, California. So just outside Sacramento. We're about 30 minutes, 20 minutes outside of Sacramento, kind of northeast of Sacramento. So this is before you get to, say, Tahoe, or this is on the way to Reno. But we're up here and we're going to tour the area for a couple days. And we decided to stay at the Staybridge Suites here in Rocklin, which is right next to a mall. So the category we got today is a 1-bedroom. I booked the executive room, 1-bedroom suite. So this is like a dining. We're gonna use it kind of as a dining room table probably if we have any guests over. So right when you walk in, over to the left, my lovely wife over here, which does not come with the suite, but the kitchen does. So we do have a full kitchen. All right, so in the full kitchen, we do have a mini fridge, but not mini fridge. So this is like a
apartment fridge.
Yeah, apartment
or
fridge.
Like an RV fridge.
RV fridge. I wouldn't say roommate fridge, but it's a smaller fridge. My wife is definitely taller than the fridge, so there's a microwave here. You got a little bit of a stovetop, 2 burners, 1 big burner, 1 small burner. And I'm kind of exploring as I'm going. I haven't taken a look. This is my first time walking into the room here. So we do have some silverware here, can opener. Looks like a potato peeler or a carrot peeler.
A vegetable peeler.
Whatever, yeah, veggie peeler. Up here, there is a toaster. Do have some cups, some plates, mugs, bowls. Glass serving bowl. Over here, they left us some powdered creamer, non-dairy creamer. Some sugar over here as well. Coffee filters. These are ours, so don't mind that. I'm gonna put this aside. We have a coffee maker. I don't know why I couldn't think of the name. Took me a while. It's been a long day, you guys. The drive up here from San Diego, it was like almost 10 hours. So we've been on the road for quite a while, since 6 this morning. Okay, anyway, continuing on. They do have a dishwasher. It's pretty small, but it'll function for what dishes they have here. And they have 1 dish detergent pouch here for us, but I'm pretty sure we can call down and ask for some more. Let's take a look under the hood here. Nothing down there. Trash can though. How about this one over here? Oh, we do get 1 pan and 1 pot. 1 pan and 1 pot. Okay, all right. Moving on. So just across from that, as we said, there is this big old dining room table here. We are kind of unpacking, so none of this stuff on the table actually comes with the suite here. This is all our stuff. So don't expect to get applesauce or popcorn or any of that stuff. All right, so over here is gonna be our living room area. There's a phone over there to call down the front desk, got a lamp there, and I think this is a pull-out couch. Let me check. Yep, so that's a sofa couch there. Nice little coffee table. And when I mean little, it's little. A couple of chairs to sit on. The AC is actually really, really good. The AC is AC-ing, you guys. Feels great. And it is warm up here. It's warm in the Rocklin area right now. So across the way, that is the mall that I was just talking about in Rocklin. It's a huge mall, and from what I understand, they offer quite a few shops to go browse. So we'll probably check that out while we're up here. And we have a TV right here. I'm going to say that's probably like a 55-inch TV. That's a good sized TV. Harris. If you guys remember that one. Oh, in the bedroom, that was like a 35-inch TV. Anyway, And looks like it has direct TV over here and a direct TV remote. Let's check in the drawers there. Nada. No one left any bundles of money, unfortunately. And looks like we have a couple of snacks over here. Oh, that's coffee. Okay, we have coffee. So we have a decaf coffee, and then we have a regular roast coffee here, and then some Lipton tea. Decaf Lipton tea, and then regular Lipton tea. So there's that. The thermostat is not working. All right, maybe it is, and I don't see it. I don't know, man. I think I have to. No, that's not working. Okay, so thermostat is working. Let's move on to the bedroom. All right. Coming into the bedroom, first thing you're going to take a look at or see, let's go to your right, is going to be the closet. Again, we are unpacking, so please excuse a little bit of a mess. You do have a iron here and an ironing board. Our room came with extra pillows. That's one thing I did request, and they put some extra pillows in here. And then it's a couple of extra linens. I believe this is going to be for the sofa bed. Hangers here. And doesn't come with that. That's our stuff. Over here next to the closet, hi, it's going to be a sink. Let's check and see. They do have a hairdryer in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is a, I think this is like branded for hotels. So nothing underneath there. Extra roll of toilet paper. We always bring our own toilet paper from home. We do not like one ply. We also have some makeup wipes, some Dove, and looks like some lotion right over here. So that's your amenities. Tissue over there. One washcloth and one hand towel. Moving on, next is going to be the bathroom. And we have 3 towels. Another washcloth and another hand towel over there. And this one does come with a tub. We weren't sure if it had a tub in it or not. There's no handheld, which, you know, we like our handheld. But there is a shower head here, and then it has body wash, Dove shampoo, Dove conditioner. So that's there as well. And of course, toilet there. I do like that the toilet is kind of separate from the sink. I don't know. The TV, which is kind of awkwardly placed. I think the TV should be over there because the bed's there. All right, we're not gonna worry about that. The TV right here. So right when you walk in the door, that's where the TV is. It's probably like a 43-inch TV or so. You know, it's an okay size. I might move it over here next to the desk. But the TV also has direct TV. There's a little cable box out there. Ah, this thermostat is working in here. Look at that. Okay, so this one's working. You can set it down, set it to 66. We like it cold. It does have a little desk over here. So if you want to, if you're doing any work, or if you're like me and you edit on the road, or you need to do any kind of YouTube updating, has a little desk where you can do that. Nice little chair there. And this is a king size bed. So we sleep with a queen size bed, so this is going to be a little extra for us. But the comforter seems a little comfy. You got a nightstand there, and that's just a regular nightstand. Doesn't look like it has any pull-out drawers. And then we have another nightstand over here, and another AC unit here. And again, same view, different room though. That's our view. All right. So that, my friends, is a look at the king bedroom. And that's pretty much gonna do it for this room tour here. Again, this is the Staybridge Suites here in Rocklin. Oh, got my wife snacking. Staybridge Suites here in Rocklin. This is on the 4th floor. Room 420, 420 everyone, on the 4th floor. And yeah, not much to say about it. It is what it is. Your choices up here in Rocklin are pretty slim. There's not too many places to pick from. So we looked at our options and we decided to go with this. But this is the 1 bedroom here. All right. So if you did like this room tour, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That's our channel here. Lots of room tours, lots of vacationing. So plenty of Disney, plenty of trips, lots of exploring to do. Again, thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe to Exploring Yeti, and we will see you guys again for another room tour, or check out one of our other vlogs. All right, have a good day, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.